Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's got Instagram users all riled up. It's about the disappearing audio on Instagram Reels. You're scrolling through your Instagram feed, enjoying those catchy reels, and suddenly, silence. Users have been left baffled as their reels lose audio, leaving them with silent videos. What's up with that? Now you might have seen the frustrating error message that says, "This song is currently unavailable." Seriously, what gives Instagram? People are scratching their heads, wondering why their carefully chosen songs have gone MIA. Could it be a bug? Some users think so. They're calling on Instagram to fix this audio mess ASAP. On the other hand, Instagram might be cracking down on copyrighted songs, causing audio to vanish from Reels. The rage is real. One user exclaimed, "My Instagram is back to, 'This song is currently unavailable.' Annoying." Another was even more direct, saying, "Instagram is pissing me off." Ouch. And let's not forget the creative complaint. "Now my reels look like PowerPoint slides." But fear not, we've got some potential fixes for you. Delete and reinstall the app. Log out and back in again. Keep that app updated. Check your internet connection. And if all else fails, reach out to Instagram support. So there you have it, folks. Instagram's audio disappearing act has users in a tizzy. Whether it's a bug, copyright concerns, or just a technical hiccup, we hope Instagram gets things sorted soon. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech updates. This is Tech Muster, signing off.